Hi class, we are going to take our mid-mission 3 test today. And I just want to go over a couple things with you before you get started. The first thing I want to remind you is that you need to print this document off of your Google Classroom. This is where you're going to show all your work on the test. Each box is numbered for you and you can use that space to work. If you need more space, you can always use the back. Just make sure you write the number so I can follow along with where you're going. So please make sure you get this off Google Classroom today. The next thing I want to remind you is that we are going to need to upload this for points, right? This is worth 4 points. If you do it, you get 4 points. If you don't do it, you lose 4 points. So I'm going to take a minute and show you a couple different ways to upload this today. So the first way you can upload your scratch paper is by using the Google Classroom app that I know a lot of your parents have on their phones or their tablets, and it lets you take the picture right there and upload it from the app, which is handy. You can also go to Google Classroom and then upload it after you've scanned it onto your computer, which I know a lot of you scan things for your packet. So you can add a file, go to Browse. Mine was saved to my desktop. There's my scanned document. And I'm going to select it. This takes a couple of seconds to upload, but once it's uploaded, you can hit the Turn In button. So you can scan it. The other thing you can do is if you have a Chromebook from SRA, you can actually use that to take a picture. So if you're on your Chromebook, you go to that circle in the left-hand corner and you can type in camera. Mine's already up there because I've used it a couple times. You can type it in, see if there's a camera icon, you can press that. Then it brings up the screen that lets you just hold up your paper and take the picture. Then you can go back to Google Classroom, click on the assignment, push Add or Create, File, and then after you push Browse, it'll be one of the first files you see. The last picture you took is right there at the top. So you just select that. And there's your picture of your work, and you can just turn it in that way. So a couple different ways that you can upload your scratch paper today. So if you absolutely can't figure out how to upload this, you can always have a parent email it to me today as well, but I do need it as soon as possible so I can start grading those tests. The other thing I want to talk to you about is we are actually going to use the Otis platform, otus.com, to take our test today. And if you remember, we practiced with this a while back in August, and so we're going to try it again and use that today. So let me show you really quickly how to access a test on Otis. Use Otis for our math test today, so you can use a link on Google Classroom or you can type in otus.com. Once you do that, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. You're going to log in by using this G button at the bottom. This means you're logging in with your Gmail account. So you'll click on that. And then you're going to pick your Santa Rosa student email address. And once you're there, you need to go to Assessments. And then you're going to look for the assessment that says Mission 3 Mid-Unit. And you can click on that and begin test. Mine looks a little bit different, but it's pretty similar. All right, seems like we're about ready to get started on our test. I know that you guys can all do this. You've all shown this last week how hard you've been working and how smart you are and that you are ready for this test. I ask that you complete it today and have it submitted by the end of the day because tomorrow we're going to pick up on the next part of Mission 3. So it's good to have this test done and ready. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day and I will see you tomorrow.